This video explains how to create a pandas data frame with a multi-index using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step, we need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then in the next step, after running this line of code, we can create an example data frame using the data frame constructor, as you can see in the second code box. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is appearing, and we can print this data frame below the code box by using the print function. So after running these lines of code, you can see that a new data frame has been created. This data frame contains 5 columns, whereby the first and second 2 columns will be used as our multi-index. So in the next step of the tutorial, we can use the set_index function, as you can see in the third code box. And in this line of code, I'm specifying within the set_index function a list of column names that I want to convert to our multi-index. So in this case, the 2 columns that I want to convert to the multi-index are called ID1 and ID2. And then I'm creating a new data set based on the output of the setIndex function that I'm calling data new. And I'm also printing this data set below the code box. So after running these lines of code, you can see that a new data frame is created, which contains only 3 columns, the columns x1, x2, and x3 of our input data frame, as well as a multi-index based on the 2 columns ID1 and ID2. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.